Hi there, I'm your English coach Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where you'll learn American culture and business know-how to become confident in English. So, you want to cold call a prospect in English? You followed the advice on my previous video about cold calls. You're prepared, you focus on benefits, and you focus on getting a first yes. Unfortunately, that yes sometimes turns into a no, and you're lost. Today, I want to help you handle that rejection better in a non-pushy way. And thank you to commenter Amit Kumar with the handle Mitsubishi Hashimoto for this suggestion. Let's go. Is an important first step. Don't ignore a rejection. Don't try to force your way through your pitch. No, you'll sound needy, and that's a bad sign. Don't sound disappointed either. Stay neutral and acknowledge it. It's a situation where you can still learn a lot. For example, you can say, "Thank you for being direct. I'd love to know how we could help you better. So just to improve, could you tell me your opinion on why we don't think that we can help you?" Tell your prospect they don't have to listen to you. And this is a psychological trick. And also the plain truth. You acknowledge their status over you, and it makes you appear less needy and less threatening. For example, "Oh, thanks, Robert. Sorry if that question was pushy. May I ask what your SEO process is?" You don't have to share, of course. It's okay if you choose not to. I'm only asking to better understand, not push you. Soften a rejection by giving them options. It can work, especially if they know you're serious and you've come prepared. For example, "Thank you, Colin. So just to be clear, would you like me to explain briefly what we can do for you in 3 minutes, or to call you back at a later time, or never contact you again?" Don't ask your prospect to, for instance, call you later if they change their minds. No. Instead, show that you intend to make the most out of the opportunity and try to get more insight to improve your calls. For example, "Thanks, Mary. When I call you again in a month, what could I research or show you to convince you that our services can help you to improve your sales?" Most prospects will not tell you no directly. They might say, "Yes, but," instead, like, "Oh, send some more information first." This is less frightening than a direct no, but you'll still never make a sale with that. So don't just say yes and hang up. Ask for precisions. For example, "Okay, then when I send you the information, how long will you need to make a decision?" And after they answer, you can already set up a fixed date to call back. Better yet, you can add, "But I don't want to waste your time, so before I send you the information, I need to ask you just a couple of quick questions." And then go on with your best questions that will make you stand out. And now you're done. So remember, acknowledge and embrace the rejection. Tell them that they're free to choose. Give options, be specific, and don't settle for a soft rejection. Now, tell me, how did you handle your last cold call rejection? Write your experience down in the comments. It's a great way to practice and share with the world. And to improve your English itself, I want to help you with your mistakes too. And that's why I've created a new ebook, What Was That? How to Correct 50 Common Mistakes and Avoid Confusion in American English. It includes 50 short, easy to learn lessons so you correct your common grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation mistakes, and it also includes common idiomatic expressions and American culture do's and don'ts, helpful quizzes to get you to remember what you learn, and so much more. Go to the link below this video and get yours right now. Thanks for watching Speak English with Christina, and I'll see you next time.